page. She's not even looking like she's trying to work. At least John's doing this chapter 12 test.
I'm doing my chapter 2 vocab.
Yeah. God, would you stop?
Let's just use the painting. Let's just use the painting and attach the camera to the painting and carry.
Dead puppy, dead puppy. Murdered puppy. Alright, ready? And action. Wow. Wow.
Maybe you shouldn't throw anything at her.
Yeah, we're not throwing anything.
I didn't even throw it before she was laughing.
She laughed right when I said action.
Cameron was like, murdered puppy. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start recording.
Action. Hold on.
Look at him. Oh my goodness, he's upside.
Alright, and action.
Sleeping!
Action.
Pop quiz.
My hand was in
hand
the
went
shot.
right back
There it
Oh,
is.
trying to, I'm taking off my hat and putting it back on. Except for you.
Don't look at the camera. God. Go back to the test.
No.
Alright. And action. Ben! Oh my god!
And shut up.
Or Ben ate that banana.
Dude, Cameron just got bit, dude. Cameron, I just saw Cameron like, oh! He's like, hit the freaking cave.
Cameron, be smarter than the bird.
Bird's like that.
Oh, I can't.
That was him.
Give me the camera.
No.
This is my video now.